Cut the fastening straps. Open the box and take it off. Cut through the protective packaging and pull it away. Grab the small boxes and open. Inside the boxes you will find accessories including the front wheel reflectors, rear view mirrors, a charger, footrest, fork guard, and lastly, the toolkit. To loosen the straps, hold the release lever down. Pull the loose end of the strap away from the ratchet. Take out the ratchet wrench. Insert the bit and measurement head. Using the ratchet wrench, unscrew the bolts. Remove the protective film. Pull away the bubble wrap. Unwrap the handlebar. Grab the rear fender and unwrap it as well. Using the ratchet wrench, unscrew the bolts on the faceplate. Release the faceplate and then mount the handlebar. Secure the faceplate over the bars and install all bolts. Make sure the handlebar is tight enough and does not wobble. Install the front indicators. Tighten the nut with your hands and finish off with the screwdriver. Repeat the same process on the other side. Change the size of the bits. Lift off the seat. Fix the seat frame firmly and tighten nuts. Attach the seat to the frame. Change the bit size. Tighten the bolts to make the seat firm. To install the front wheel, gently unscrew the bolts and nuts. Change the bit size and loosen the smaller bolts. Take them off. Lift the vehicle and release the kickstand. Pull away the protective film. Remove the axle caps and pull out the axle. Remove the brakes protector cap. Now, let's place the axle in the hole. Attach the wheel to the axle. Place back the axle caps. Firmly secure the wheel by screwing the bolts tight. Tighten the smaller nuts as well. Loosen the bolts on the brake lock. Attach the disc lock to the disc brake. Insert the bolts back and tighten them. Check if the brakes are functioning. Now, let's install the fork guards. Attach it to the front forks and tighten it. Repeat the same process on the other side. Using a cable tie, fasten the brake cables onto the fork guards. Cut the excess cable tie. Take out the reflectors. Install reflectors on the front fork side. Change the bit size and take the measurement head. Take out the washers. Let's install the rear fender. Insert the washers and bolts below. Tighten them to firmly fix the fender. Let's fix the mirror. Make sure the mirror is fixed tight enough. Change the bit size. Let's install the footrest. Remove the bolt and attach it to the footrest. Now install it directly to the vehicle. Tighten the bolts. Press the power button. Use the remote control to turn on the display. Check out the control buttons. Test the beam switch for other functionalities. hop on your vehicle, and have a joyous ride. Use the remote control and power button to switch off the vehicle. Your new F80 E motorcycle is fully assembled.